Good morning students, my name is Mohit and I am a mathematics teacher in MLZS School Jhansi. Today we will talk about again fractions. This is part 3 video for class 6th. This video can be seen by class 5th student also. So these videos for both class 5th and 6th. Now comparing fractions. The topic is we will study today, that is comparing fraction, like which fraction is smaller, greater or equals to. Now let's take an example number 1. This is 1 by 2 and 1 by 5. We have to compare the fraction, like with this these fractions are equal or which fraction is greater or smaller. Now what we will do, there are two methods basically to do these questions. First is the Lcm method and the second is alternative method, that is cross multiplication. So I think both methods are convenient to do, but this method, this is cross multiplication methods, is more easy for comparing two fractions. But more than two fractions, you can use this Lcm method. So what we will do first, now in the first, that is 1 by 2 and 1 by 5. What we will do, like Lcm method, we will take the Lcm of 2 and 5 as you already studied in class 5th. Like 2 ones are 2 and 5 will remain itself like there. Now 5 ones are 5. So 2 and 5 are the factors, that means 2 into 5, that is 10. 10 is the LCM. It means you have to make these fractions, you have to make the denominator of the fractions same. Now I have already told you, if the denominators are same, the fractions are said to be like fractions. So what we will do, that is 1 by 2. To make this 2 10, what we will do, we will multiply by 5. It means if we are multiplying any number in denominator, it means you have to multiply it by 5 in the numerator also. So what we will do, we will multiply by 5 in numerator and denominator both. So it will be converted into 5 into 10. It means the denominator we get is 10 now. So the same thing we will do in 1 by 5, like we will make this 5 into 10, convert 5 into 10. So what we will do, we will multiply by 2. It means we will multiply by 2 in numerator also, because the fraction should be equivalent. So what we will do, that is 2 by 10. It means we got 10 in this denominator also. So now we can simply write that 1 by 2 is equivalent to 5 by 10. So we will write 5 by 10, and instead of 1 by 5 we will write 2 by 10. So we can now directly see that 10 and 10, these denominators are same, these are like fraction, but the numerator are different. It means this 5 is greater than 2. That means that the fraction, that is 5 by 10, is greater than fraction 2 by 5, 2 by 10. So it means this 5 by 10 is equivalent to 1 by 2. So we will write the original value like 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 5. So this is the simple method. In the alternative method is also very simple, like 1 by 2 and 1 by 5. In this method, what we have to do, we will cross multiply these denominators into others, into the different fractions. Like this numerator, first fraction numerator and second fraction denominator, this will be multiplied, that's 1 by 1 into 5. Now in the second fraction, that is 1, and the first fraction, that is denominator, is 2. So this denominator will be multiplied by this numerator. So this will become the here, and it will be multiplied by 1, that is 2 into 1, that is 2. So 1 into 5 and 2 into 1. What we will do now, we will, this is 1 and 2 ones are 2. It means that is 5 is greater than 2. It means this same sign will come here, that is 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 5. So it is as easy. Now let's come example B. Like we have 6 by 10 and 3 by 5. We have to compare these fractions. So what we will do, I will suggest to do this first by alternative method. What we will do, we will do cross multiplication, like 6 and 5. So 5 will go here, so 6 into 5, and 10 will go there, and is 3 into 10. That means 3 tens are 30 and 6 fives are 30. Now you can see simply that 30 and 30, both the multiplications are equivalent to 30. It means both the fractions are same, means equal. So equal sign will come here. That means fraction 6 by 10 and fraction 3 by 5 are same. Now let's take another example. You can do this question by the first method, that is Lcm method also. Now 3 by 4 and 7 by 8. What we will do, again same, we will multiply this 8 into 3 and 4 into 7, that is 3 8s are 24, and 7 into 4, that is 7 4s are 28. It means 28 is smaller than, 28 is bigger than 24. It means 24 is smaller than 28, so the sign smaller than is come here, that will come here, like 3 by 4 is smaller than 7 by 8. I hope you understand. Now here are some questions for you to practice at home. I hope you will do it. So all the best, students.